Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to customize your AirPods control. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and open up settings, and as you can see, whenever you have your AirPods on, the first thing that you're going to do is see a little AirPods icon right in the first section of settings. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and right here you can see all kinds of information about your AirPods, like the name, how to answer. So for example, this is the call controls. If you scroll down a little bit too, now you have access to camera control, audio, and different things that you can start editing. So first, let's take a look at call controls. So here you can edit how you mute and unmute yourself. So maybe pressing once or twice. So you can just go ahead and pick the one that you like. The same thing for camera control, how you want to operate your camera. So how you want to capture a photo. So for example, you can press and hold or simply press one, and that will automatically take a picture for you. You can also customize your audio. So for example, if you want to enable the option of personalized volume, this is going to adjust the volume of the media that you're listening to, depending on the environment of or where you are. So here are a lot of things that you can check out. Also your microphone, how you can automatically switch it between your AirPods, or if you want to have it in your left AirPod or in your right AirPod. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. This is how you can customize your AirPods control. And if you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. Bye.